Hi, good day. I'd like to do a product review today. This is a Harinacs stapler. Okay, I got it from online. Of course, all are written in Japanese. And here it returns maximum 10 sheet of paper. So the idea of this thing is actually it is a stapler for a conventional stapler. Of course, you can see this is the one, the conventional style. You need the bolts, but of course this you do not need anything. Okay, let me demonstrate. So you can see, and what I'll need to do, just insert it over here. Okay, and it is bound. Comparatively to the old traditional method, this is the stapler and staples. Okay, clean, but one thing you need to understand, it will create a hole. This, it won't create a hole on paper, just only a two tiny hole. Okay, let me demonstrate one more time. You see how does it move. Okay, you see the mechanics. So let me do one more time. Okay, right, this is my product review, and I think it is a good buy. Okay, bye.